Hello students, today let me discuss the next important element, that is so called as cost sheet. So speaking with respect to the cost sheet, you are going to study two important aspects. One is the meaning of cost sheet and another one is the purposes of cost sheet. Okay, the speaking about the meaning of the cost sheet, what actually is meant by the cost sheet is all about. Cost sheet is nothing but a document which provides for the presentation of estimated detailed cost in respect of cost cadre or cost unit. That is so called as the cost sheet is all about. It means that cost sheet is nothing but a document. It means that it can be prepared in the form of the report. It can be prepared in the form of the statement. What that statement is going to be give? It gives summary. It gives the detailed information about what? Relating to the estimated cost. Estimated cost in the sense anticipated cost. Anticipated in the cost in the sense how much cost is going to be incurred in future. That is so called as the anticipated cost. And in respect of cost cadre or cost unit, it means that if a company wants to produce a unit of the product, the information is going to be provided in the terms of units and in the terms of department wise, in the terms of element wise, in the terms of classification wise, the cost information is going to be provided. That record or statement is so called as the cost sheet. Okay, now next go through the important intentions behind preparation of the cost sheet, keeping in mind what objectives or what intentions that we are going to prepare the cost sheet. That is so called as the purposes of the cost sheet. What are those? Let us go through one by one. First thing is that it helps for the comparison. It means that by preparing this kind of a statement, we are going to do the comparison of the cost between two important products, between two different services, between two different departments. Likely this kind of a cost comparison is going to be made even element wise, made even head wise. We can do the comparison of the cost between the departments, between the products, between the services, as well as on a unit basis we are going to do the cost comparison. That is the first thing. And second thing is that it helps for fixing selling price. As we all know that selling price in the sense it is the price at which the goods are going to be sold in the market. And so as to fix the selling price, the cost related information is very important. Without providing the cost information, the selling price cannot be fixed so easily. And once you are going to fix the selling price, it is going to determine the profitability of the product. It means that in each of the products, how much profit that we are going to earn, that is going to be decided by the selling price. That is why the cost related information is so important, so as to fix the selling price of the product. That is the second thing. And third thing is that it helps for ascertaining profit or loss of the production. This is also one of the key element. Why? Because every company or business organization are going to produce different kinds of the product. After manufacturing that specific product, whether a company is going to earn profit or incur the loss, that is very important. Keeping in mind that kind of an intention, whatever the information that is so provided by the cost sheet, that can be used as a base, and based on that we are going to ascertain and determine whether we are going to earn the profits or incur the loss by producing the products or by making delivery of the any kind of the services can be even determined. That is the second thing. Third thing and fourth thing is that it discloses the total cost as well as the cost per unit of production. It means that this is also one of the key element only. Why? Because with the help of the cost sheet we are going to determine the total cost. Total cost in the sense it is the aggregate of all the costs that are so incurred so as to manufacture any kind of the product. That is so called as the total cost. And apart from that, unit wise, department wise, we are going to even ascertain the cost. So based on the total cost, we are going to compare that with the sales price, and by making a comparison we can rightly determine that whether we are going to earn the profits or incur the losses can even be determined. That is the fourth important thing. And last important purpose is that it helps for analyzing the effect of each element of cost on the total cost. It means that with the help of the cost sheet we can make a kind of the in-depth study, or we can make a kind of the evaluation. Evaluation about what? We can make the evaluation with respect to the effect of each element of the cost on the total cost. It means that on the total cost how the each element of the cost are going to be so influenced can be rightly been determined. That is what we mean as the analyzing the effect of each element of the cost on the total cost. So for every company the total cost is important, and apart from the cost per unit is also important. Based on the cost per unit we are going to determine the total cost. That is why how the cost per unit is going to influence on the total cost can be decided by preparation of the cost sheet. So this is the basic literature with respect to the cost sheet. With this I am going to conclude my discussion about the element called as the cost sheet. Thank you.